In the last video, we have seen how we have exported the data in this file. So actually it will be the .txt file at this stage, not the XML, right? So we'll be adding the text file. We have not run it yet, right? To run once, then we'll get the text file. Yes, we can see the data here. Now we have seen that we have to take two lists, but we want to take only one list. So what kind of list we will take? Besides that, we have two overloaded method for the add function, and if we are going to support multiple type of geometries, right? So we have to overload it many more times, which is not good. So we'll be doing like we can take a base class, which is base for both point and line. Say class shape or entity. For now, keep it shape. It can be any arbitrary shape, right? And just inherit this point and line from that publicly. Once we do that, actually we don't need to take two overloaded methods. In a single method, say shape S, we can push it to where. Now it is a list of points, but here I want to take a list of shape. It will be shapes actually. So there will be no points, nothing. So we can actually store all kinds of geometries in the shape. So add function is complete. The problem is here. Now, as we told, we don't have to iterate through both of them. We can just simply say from the shapes, we can take shape S, S-H-A-P, shape S, and here it is being confused because we have taken shape. So let us name it data. Yeah, so it's data. If I do that, what's the problem? Yeah, shape class don't have the get data function. Get data is here in the line and circle. So what I will do, I'll make this in the base class as well, and I have to make it public. Now at this stage it should build must return a value. Yes, for example, return some blank data, or say dummy data, or say simply say zip, just to identify. Okay, build it. There is no compilation issues. Let's delete the old data and run it. We see it's printing save. So it means it is being called from this line number 13. But it never called this data, get data function. Now if I try to debug it, every time it hits the get data function of the shape class, and not the get data function of the line and point class. So what to do? So here comes the polymorphism. We have to call this get data function polymorphically, and to achieve that polymorphism, what we have to do? First we have to take pointer here. Okay, and as we are going to take pointers, we have to use arrow here first of all. Okay, but shape is not a list of pointers. It's just object, but let make it this. The problem is here. Now, what I am going to do? I have to store. If I store the address, will it solve the issue? If I compile, the compilation is successful, okay, but it is still calling the get data function, okay. So what else we have to do? We have to make this function virtual, okay, so that its overloaded method, overridden method actually, overridden method from the point class and line class gets called correspondingly. If I try that again, no luck. It is still calling this one. Why? Actually, when the get data method is called at this stage, we have to look into this step. When we are looking at this, we can see its v table is actually pointing to the SEP class get data method, which is not correct. So what should we do? So we have set up the pointers properly in this file. We have set the virtual functions, but still it is not working properly. So what changes should we do? And it's a topic for the next video. Thank you.